We're going to look at the metaball objects within TrueSpace 5. Now we're going to have a look at two ways in which we can actually use them. First, I'll create a primitive sphere. And now I'm going to create a rounded cube. I'll shrink the cube and move it slightly out of the sphere. And switch on negative influence. We can see that we are making an indentation into the sphere. Now I'm going to scratch on the surface of animating these metaballs. The animation course, of course, will go much deeper into this. Just set a keyframe at 0 for my influence object. Put in 40 frames. Then move it down underneath the sphere. Click on record again and then play. And now we can see we've got some deformation going on in the primitive sphere. This metaball object can, of course, be replaced by any other object in an animation to give the effect that it is actually deforming the organic sphere shape. Just delete that. And once again, I'll use positive influence this time. Control-C to make a copy of my primitive object. It's all very easy. Keyframe at 0 for this object here. And to keyframe 30, move it through the other object to this side. Record and then play. We can see a positive influence taking their action there. Very easy, very quick. Now, one more thing we might want to do with our metaball objects is creating an organic shape there. Now I'm going to put up the render resolution because I'm going to exit the metaball edit mode. Put this into wireframe so we can see our dense mesh. Now we can paint this any color we want, or with any shader we want, of course. But if we want to edit this object any farther, simply right-click on it and we go back into Metaball Edit. So we just have to enter any one of the object edit modes. I'll just click on Deform Object here, and I get a warning saying that I'm going to destroy the metaball object. Yes, and now I've created a simple geometric shape here which I can go in and put a simple texture on so we can see what's going on. Now I can go in with my point edit tools, select a face, and move anything on there. Of course, the mesh is quite dense as we've started with a metaball object. But it gives us other possibilities. Of course, we can take a cube here. We can perform any other geometric operation on that. I'm going to do a Boolean subtraction. And there we have it. We've taken a nice slice out of that metaball object. Not possible when actually in metaball edit mode.